In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a promo code discount for a specific product or category in your store. We'll keep this simple and practical so you can follow along step by step inside your dashboard. The goal here is to create a discount code that applies only to certain items instead of affecting your entire store. This is especially useful when you want to run a targeted promotion, highlight a product, or boost sales for a specific collection item without changing your general pricing. To begin, go to the selling section in your platform. In some accounts, this area may be labeled commerce instead. If you don't immediately see one name, look for the other, since both refer to the same general place where your store settings and sales tools are managed. Once you're there, find and click Add Discount. This will open the discount setup area where you can choose the type of promotion you want to create. For this walkthrough, select promo code. A promo code is ideal when you want customers to enter a specific code at checkout in order to receive the offer. This gives you more control over who uses the discount and when it's applied. Next, set the rule to single product or category. This step is important because it determines the scope of the discount. Instead of applying the offer store-wide, this setting limits it to only the product or group of products you choose. If you're promoting one featured item, the single product option is the right fit. If you're running a sale across a related group of items, then category will make more sense. After that, select the specific e-commerce or digital products you want included in the promotion. Take a moment here to double check your selection so the discount applies exactly where you want it to. This helps avoid confusion for customers and ensures the campaign works as intended. If your store includes both physical and digital items, be sure you're selecting the correct product type before moving on. When everything looks right, click Save. That final step stores your discount settings and makes the promo code ready based on the options you've configured. And that's it. You've successfully set up a promo code discount for a single product or a category. This kind of focused discount strategy can be a great way to drive conversions while keeping your promotion organized and intentional.